welcome back to She's in Her Apron. All right, get your aprons on because today I'm gonna do a clean with me, but a little differently. I've recorded myself the whole month of August doing my zone cleanings, all 4 zones. Do I do these zones perfectly? Nope. Life happens. School, work from home, doctor's appointments, life happens. So I'm gonna share with you what I did accomplish in each of these zones the month of August. If you guys like this, leave me comments, thumbs up. I will continue to do this every month. The beginning of each month, show you what I accomplished in my zones the previous month. So you'll have to let me know what you think. So, all right, aprons on, let's go. It's the front porch for this week's zone, but I'm not gonna take you out there. I don't wanna show the front of the house, just lessons learned from the last house we were in. And so I'm gonna go out there and wash this window, get the dirt off. There's like a little ledge right here on the window. Get that off. Dust the bench that we have and any of the decorations, just sweep off the porch and get that done.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales. Wait for the wind, wait for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of
as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile, I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart, every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms, pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. You call, I fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December, and the sound of the falling snow. The fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt, all we had was time. Hey, do you remember sneaking out in the night? Me playing the Fender, and you singing, oh, it's alright. Beating hearts full of lust, shiny stars over us, just a dream guiding us, and not a single cloud in the sky.
Alright friends, thank you so much for joining me. Again, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you want me to do this at the beginning of each month. So as you saw, I got things done in my zone, but it wasn't perfect. Life happens. So we're not machines, but the home was definitely blessed. Alright friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.